divisibility by 4 and 8. First one, divisibility by 4. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits, that is ones and tens place, is divisible by 4. A number with 3 or more digits, is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. Example 572. What you have to check is whether the last two digits 72 is divisible by 4 or not. If 72 is divisible by 4, we can say that 572 is divisible by 4. So that is what we are going to check. 4 ones are 4, 3 32, 4 eights are 32, remainder 0. So what we can say is 72 is divisible by 4. 72 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 572 is divisible by 4. So, only thing is, if the number with 3 or more digits, the number should be 3 or more digits. If it is less, we can't say like this. This rule is applicable if the number is a number with 3 or more digits. At least it should have 3 digits. So, what we can check is whether the last two digits, the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4, then we can say the given number is divisible by 4. Check the divisibility by 4 for the following. The number given is 12159. So what you have to check is the last two digits 59. Whether 59 is divisible by 4 or not. So 4 ones are 4, 1 19, 4 fours are 16. So remainder is 3. So this is not divisible. This means that 59 is not divisible by 4. So what we can say, the given number 12,159 is not divisible by 4. Then second question, this is the number given 31795072. What you have to check? The last two digits only you have to check. 72. We have already got this answer. 72 is divisible by 4. Since 72 is divisible by 4, we can say the given number is divisible by 4. So 72 is divisible by 4. So what we can say, the given number 31795072 is divisible by 4. So this is the method for checking the divisibility by 4. What you have to check is whether the last two digits is divisible by 4. This is applicable only for numbers with digits 3 or more digits. Numbers with 3 or more digits. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits, that means ones and tens, place is divisible by 4. Next is divisibility by 8. A number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. It should have 4 or more digits. Is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. So the given number is 726352. What you have to check is whether the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. So we have to check 35. You have to take 4 eights are 32. So again 32, again 4, 32, 0. So what we can say, 352 is divisible by 8. 352 is divisible by 8. So what we can say, 726352 is divisible by 8. So what we have checked is whether the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. If it is divisible by 8, we can say the given number is divisible by 8. The condition is it should have 4 or more digits. It should have 4 or more digits, then only we can apply. Next question, check the divisibility by 8 for the following. For the first number given as 6000, the last 3 digits 000, so it is clearly 0. 0 is divisible by any of the number except 0. So 0 is divisible by 8. 0 is divisible by 8, so we can say 6000 is divisible by 8. 0 is divisible by 8, so we can say 6000 is divisible by 8. Next is this 438750. We have to take the last 3 digits. It is 750. We have to check whether 750 is divisible by 8 or not. So it is 72. So 30. So 24. 6. Remainder is 6. So what we can say, 750 is not divisible by 8. So what we can say is 438750 is not divisible by, or we can say 4,38,750 is not divisible by 8 because the number formed by the last 3 digits is 750, which is not divisible by 8. So what we can say is the given number is not divisible by 8. Homework exercise 3.3, second question, all the remaining problems.